Grenade!
Kamikaze!
Oh, dear.
And I will strike down upon thee with
Grenade!
I'm sorry, did I break your concentration? I didn't mean to do that. Please, continue. I believe you were saying something about best intentions. What's the matter? Oh, you were finished. Well, allow me to retort. What does Marcellus Wallace look like? What? What country are you from? What? What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English or what? What? English, motherfucker. Do you speak it? Yes. Then you know what I'm saying.
Yes, describe what Marcellus Wallace looks like. What? Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time. He's black. Go on. He's bald. You look like
A bitch? What? He look like a bitch. No. Then why can't you like a bitch, Brad? I did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You tried to him. You ever read the Bible?
Yes. Here's a passage I got memorized.
Seems appropriate for this occasion. Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men.
Blessed is he who, in the name of charity and goodwill, shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness.
For he is truly his brother's keeper and a finder of lost children. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know that
My name is the Lord.
when I lay my vengeance upon thee.